this video, we are going to discuss the steps involved with getting your water meters set up with WaterScope when you are installing the meters yourself. Hooray! Your meters made it to your location. First, begin by printing off your tenant rent roll sheet. You will use this later to record the meter IDs from the meters themselves. Then, you can begin installing the meters. If you need any assistance, make sure to check out our YouTube channel where you can find out how to install our meters on any type of water line. When installing the submeters, it is essential that you record the meter ID and the corresponding address where the meter was installed. After finishing installing the meters, send your tenant rent roll and your meter IDs over to our customer service team at Metron, and they will get your meter information entered into WaterScope for you. The only thing left to do is schedule a 1-hour WaterScope training session with one of our customer service team members to help you better understand the system.